So AJ, last time I rode with you, we got pulled over. Speaking of which, there he goes. There he goes.
I got out of that birthday party so fast. Like, here's your toy. Exactly.
Ladies, gentlemen, how are we doing? It's the nicest dude. I'm so hyped. It's like 65. Spring is coming, bro. Right now we are on our way to go hang out with AJ. I'm gonna meet him in Old Town. I don't really have anything in mind as far as what to do or what to talk about, other than maybe washing my bike because it's grody right now. There was a sport bike ride I was thinking about going to, but I was a little hungover this morning, a little slow, so kind of needed to get through that first. So missed that ride, but that's okay. Last time I went and rode with AJ, we got pulled over, so hopefully, you know, knock on take here, it'll be a little different. God, dude, I'm just in a crew neck right now. Fuck, this is nice. I feel like I can actually ride my bike now. Like, I don't have to be all super careful. Well, I'll still be careful. All right, well, I'm gonna turn this off until we meet up with AJ.
Oh, god damn, dog. I know where we're headed.
Yeah.
This man's wild.
Oh, what?
So you're wild. I can't believe you ride this thing all night.
Well, now we're through the worst of it.
Well, I'm hoping so, dude.
Yeah.
Fucking, it's only February. I got out of that birthday party so fast. Like, here's your toy. Exactly. It was bad.
Yeah, you told me you were going to a kid's birthday party. I was like, oh, he's pissed.
Foco Media?
Oh, yeah, I don't know who that is. The other chick, Lauren, she did my rollers a couple of months back. She's super cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to get my shit fixed before I fucking worry about that.
What are you talking about? It'll be fine.
Just stay on the other side.
So AJ, last time I rode with you, we got pulled over. Speaking of which, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Start one, they all start. Whoop. Whoa. Fuck. That's my bad. I didn't know where it was.
How do you usually wash your bike?
Same way, like I just go through the fucking.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Which one?
So like,
Go ahead.
start at here. Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Pre-soak, or you could do wheels and yeah, sure. Start with wheels and tires, like I guess.
It's right here, dog.
Get them wet. You gotta get them wet, bro. Come on. Nothing. I usually bring a little bag.
This is not working, whatever that is.
Okay, well then, fuck it. We'll skip it. Pre-soak. It's like a wet noodle, bro. No, I usually bring a bag with me that's got like microfibers and like engine degreaser and fucking tire cleaner, stuff like that. I'll do like a full rinse down. I don't know, I try to not get into the seats and the electronics like too much. Oh, that shit's disgusting. Get that shit. Alright. That shit's probably good. You need any more? Cool. Yeah. Brand new. Was needed. These guys told me to lead. I don't even know where to go. Whoop. Whoop. God, dude, it's so fucking nice. Ooh, Porsche. Little Boxster. I don't really know where I'm turning, but I think I know. Woo! Attaboy! Attaboy! What? You gotta do one. I gotta see it. Let me see you. All right, come on, Buster. Come on, Buster. Yeah, get it up. Woo! Oh. Is it a lifted Honda CR-V? What? Is that a Lotus? It is a Lotus. Never seen Lotuses. That's kind of cool. I want a Lotus.
Down, I'm like, oh, second.
I hit, well, yeah, I hit red line on first, and I was like, I'm done.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Leave it here. Just kind of a fun goof off video, not talking about anything in particular, but yeah, great weather. If you guys like the video, do all the stuff, click the like button. It's free. As a matter of fact, it's so free that it costs you about half a second to do it. Do the subscribe button as well, turn on notifications, all that fun shit. Fucking stalled it. Oh, but yeah, click subscribe. If you didn't like the video, click the dislike button. Comment, helps the algorithm, and I will respond if you do. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.